Let me show you all game turbo settings that we have available on POCO F8 Ultra. So let's open the game turbo panel, and over here we can find out, for example, the monitoring of the CPU, and we can see the FPS counter. We can of course switch to the wild boost as well in order to increase the performance of the phone when it's needed. We can also go to performance settings in order to, for example, change to frame rate priority. We have enhanced visuals, enhanced touch controls, and the network speed boost. After that, we have the clear memory option, so we can clear the memory on our phone. We have a voice changer. We can also open a timer in here. We have the D&D mode as well. We can capture screenshots and record the gameplay. We can also jump to additional settings in here. We have casting. We can switch to another SIM card. We have Wi-Fi, of course. We can easily enable and disable Wi-Fi. We can manage the screen brightness, and also we have on-screen commentary, I believe, or something like that. And if we jump to these settings in here, we will open game turbo settings in general, where we can find some additional performance options and D&D settings and general settings as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.